Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going over to Sweden and I'm going to be making for you Havreflarn cookies. I hope you enjoy this one and like this one. Remember to press the like button, share and subscribe. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Right, so our ingredients, what we're going to be using for this one today. We've got some butter, we've got some oats, we've got caster sugar, we've got egg, we've got some flour and some baking powder. So those are our ingredients what we're going to be using today. And we've got our mixing bowl, which we're going to be using in a minute. So we're going to get on with the process. First of all, with our butter, we're going to put this in our microwave and let it melt. And then we'll be back with you. Right, so into our bowl, we're going to put our oats. And we're going to put our butter as well. And we're going to give that a mix until it's all incorporated. So all you're doing is just coating the oats with the butter. Right, so that's all done. So we've got another bowl what we've put our egg in, and we're going to put our sugar into that. And you're going to whisk this in until it turns pale. So we're going to continue beating this in. Once we've got it to where it is, then we'll come back to you. Right, so we've got our egg and our sugar to where we want it. So we're going to add this to our oats. Right, so we're going to stir this in now. And then to that, we're going to add our flour and our baking powder. And we're going to just stir that in. And that's all our mixture ready. So the next step, we've got our tray with our greaseproof paper, and we're going to put them in like teaspoons, and they're going to flatten out. So we'll get back to you in a minute. and show you that process. Right, so we started getting these on our baking tray. They're gonna go in the oven, which is set on fan oven 170, which is about a gas mark 3. They're gonna go in there for about 7 to 8 minutes. You only want these in like 1 inch, like a teaspoonful, because they are going to spread very thin. And you should get roughly about 30 from this mixture. And again, I was saying, if you haven't subscribed to our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and please leave a comment in the comment section. If there's anything that you would like to see us do, please just drop us a line and we'll see if we can get it done for you. Right, so we're going to put these in our oven. Right, so we're going to put these in our oven and get them baked off. Meanwhile, I think I've got another tray. I might do another tray. Right, so they've been in the oven for about 15 minutes, a bit longer than what it says. So we're just going to take them out. That's what they look like when they come out the oven. We're just going to let them cool down. As you can see, I've cut them into like little squares because they were joining together a bit. So I've just cut them into some squares so you can see what they look like. Then once they're cooled down, I'll take them off and then show you what they look like. Right, everybody, so this is our Havreflarn from Sweden on the plate. As you can see, they're nice and crispy. I'm going to just try one because I'm getting a bit tempted now. Yeah, they're very nice, got a nice crunch to them. I think I'll be making these again soon, actually, because these ain't gonna last long. Because we all like oats in our house, so these ain't gonna last long. So, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on the next one. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to see something done on one of our videos, drop us a line, leave a comment in the comment section and let us know, and we'll try and do it for you. Thank you.